If you're using compounded sublingual semaglutide, you're going to want to listen to these 4 things that can give you the most benefit from the medication. And number 4 is by far the most important. I'm Steve Hoffert, pharmacist and owner of Magnolia Pharmacy, and we specialize in compounding sublingual semaglutide. I spent my lunch period today educating prescribers how to write prescriptions for compounded sublingual semaglutide, but even more important, teaching them how to make sure that their patients use the medication properly to get the most benefit. Here are 4 tips to give you success with compounded sublingual semaglutide. 1. Shake the medication thoroughly before pulling the medication out of the bottle with the syringe. Number 2, when you put the medication in your mouth, between your cheek and gum or underneath your tongue, it must stay there for at least 90 seconds. Anything less than 90 seconds, you're not going to see the benefit. And if you want a secret tip, make sure you swish it around your mouth before you swallow. Number 3, for at least 30 minutes or more, do not eat or drink anything after taking your sublingual semaglutide. And 4th, and the most important is, GLP-1 medications, including sublingual semaglutide, are not a magic bullet. You still need to eat properly, try to control your diet, reduce stress, get sleep, and you have to exercise to get the most benefit out of these medications. If you found this information useful, be sure you click that like and share button so that others can find out the many values and how to get the most benefit from sublingual semaglutide.